In this video, I'm going to talk about converting text into a number in Microsoft Excel. If these easy how-to videos help you, please do consider subscribing and let's get into it. In Excel, if you have numbers that actually act as numerical values, this is really helpful with being able to use that information. Here, I have a bunch of numbers, but because it's being stored as a text, I can't really use it for anything. For example, down here, if I write out the formula equals sum, and then I highlight all my values, and I hit enter, it returns with a 0, and that isn't correct. What the formula was supposed to do was to add up all those values, but because it's being stored as a text, Excel has a hard time working with these values. One way to change these values to a number is by clicking on a cell, and then click this arrow symbol, and then click Convert to Number. This can work in the short term, but it becomes a tedious process if you have to do it repeatedly for every single value. To fix this, you could try to highlight all of column A, and then up top in the Home tab, click the dropdown, and then change it into a number. And you can see how it doesn't fix our problem. These numbers in column A are still being stored as a text. So my go-to method would be to go to B1, and then I would type in equals A1 times 1. And you can see how it gives me a value of 1 as a number. I can then drag that formula all the way down, and by multiplying by 1, it turns it into an actual number. So now down here, if I write out the formula equals sum, and then I highlight all the values in column B, and hit enter, it returns with a value of 153, and that means that Excel can now recognize this as a number and be able to work with it. So that's one way of accomplishing this task. There's a few other ways, but I think this one is a quick and simple way, and it's quick enough to get the job done. If this helped you out, then please do consider subscribing for more easy how-to videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.